Good morning, room 13. I wanted to show you through Google Classroom how you're going to submit your work on a daily basis. This is going to be one option. I might create another one, but for now we're going to use Google Classroom. You guys all know how to get to Google Classroom. You should all be logged in. When you get into this on your stream, you'll see day 1, day 2, day 3. Each day a new day will come up. Since today is day 3, that's all you'll see. Tomorrow, day 4 will come up. Each day, the new day will come up. You can also go through classwork, and extended learning will come up right here too. If you haven't turned anything in, it's going to show blue. Since this student, this is my test student, hasn't turned in day 1, we're going to do day 1. I already emailed myself the assignment. You have several options how to turn in your work. You can add or create. You can upload a document, or if you want to type it up, you can put it on your Google Drive. You can add a file. You can create a document. You can go into create a document. It's going to create a Google Doc with your name on it. And once it's done, you're going to turn it in. So your Google Doc, it's right here. So notice the name is going to come up. Day 1 ELA work. And you can type your work here. It automatically saves it. And then you go back and it's right there. When you're done, you could just turn it in. You can also add, I'm going to show you how I sent myself the picture, and it's already on my computer. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to save it. And then you upload it. It's a picture of the work. And notice you can also do more than one. So if you want, notice it does say all assignments. You have the ELA assignment, math assignment. Some days you're going to have social science, social studies, or science. Or you can also even send me a video. You can have your parents, or you can do it on your iPad or your tablet or your computer. You can record yourself, and you can send me videos if you would like to. Once you're done, you can hit turn in, and you can submit both, turn in, and now I will have it. If you have a question, how do I know if you got this? Or you can have a question like, did I do this right? You can send me any question you like on here. Okay? You can also, oh wait, I did it wrong. You can unsubmit, and we can unsubmit, and we can retry again. Okay? Now, when you go back to classwork, this one, it shows I already turned it in. So then I'll go back to day 2, day 3, and tomorrow, day 4 will come up. This is just a 10-day plan just for the district. Once our 10 days are over, my lessons will start. For now, this is just what the district is doing, so you'll have the 10 days. If you have any questions, please email me or message me on Dojo. You can also ask me through Google Classroom. Have a good day, you guys.